for ngo. Ngo is drink. Say after me. Ngo. Say after me. Ngo. Ng for ngoria. Ngoria is be happy. Say after me. Ngoria. Say after me. Ngoria. Ng for nwa. Nwa is child. Say after me. Nwa. Say after me. Nwa. Ng for nwanyi. Nwanyi is woman. Say after me. Nwanyi. Say after me. Nwanyi. Nye for nyem. Nyem is give me. Say after me. Nyem. Say after me. Nyem. Nye for nyocha. Nyocha is examine. Say after me. Nyocha. Say after me. Nyocha. If you're interested in joining one of our Igbo classes, you can click on our website in the description box. You can book classes via our website. Our website remains www.learnigbo-byconversation.com.